Hi guys, so right now we are outside and it is raining, but look at the streets. It is flooded. Let me see the umbrella, man. Come here, come here. Oh my gosh. And look over here, it's flooded all over the place. Some yards were flooded. And Carla, come into the umbrella! Gosh. Ah, it's gonna machucarme! Okay. So we're just going back to my house. I'm gonna jump over this real quick. Okay, so we're here, and it is like flooded. At least our yard didn't get any of it because it came from over there, and it's more. Oh, here comes a car. I don't like this salt too much. We're just lucky that it didn't come into our yard, but if you look over there, you can see a bunch of garbage and stuff.
I was peeing over there.
You can see cochino. Don't pee over there. You can see.
He's already. Teddy bear's already soaking wet.
Oh, look at him! You're soaked. I'm too soaked.
You're soaked too.
Also, Teddy, you soaked, puppy.
Come here.
Yeah, you soaked, Teddy. You soaked.
Oh my God! Stop! Hold this. Hold this.
So we might go inside. No, but this isn't it. And it's still raining actually too. So you can see drops. I just got pointed by a fireman. This is really not fun, and I'll see you guys in a different time. Bye. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.